we ain't gonna be doing that too long, okay? What's up, being Shanika's crew? I need a new name to call us because we ain't gonna be doing that too long, okay? But y'all, welcome to my page again. Y'all know I talk everything fashion, sewing, tutorials, all of that stuff. So let's get into this video. Today, I don't know, I don't have a plan. I don't have nothing actually to come on here about. It has just been that kind of day, that kind of week. I was literally in my bed, did not want to get up, did not want to do anything today. I said, let me put on some makeup and throw on a hat, my Naidula hat. Yeah, I purchased from Naidula hair. Their hair, I'm actually wearing one of their wigs right now. But the hair is real good, so y'all check them out. This is not a sponsor video. I would love for them to sponsor me so I can get free hair. But, you know, this is for the girlies that want to know where I got my little blonde wig from. Naidula hair, right here in this hat. Oh, let's talk about fashion show that I had like a weekend ago. It was amazing. I would try to insert some clips here on the side, but it was an amazing show. I designed every piece that was worn by every girl in the picture or the video. You can follow me on TikTok. I'll put my TikTok link down here as well. But yeah, so the show was amazing. We had so much fun. It was for a breast cancer awareness celebration. And the people that were there that had breast cancer, you know, they shared their story. They shared their journey having breast cancer and their journey to being cured from breast cancer. So that was amazing in itself. We thank God for their survival. Thank God for their survival. And we're so gracious that God gave them another chance to live, you know, to share their story, to just be, you know, alive again. And to those that did suffer with breast cancer, my sister, who is younger than me, my second sister, she also suffered with breast cancer and she is cancer free. I'm so grateful. I'm not going to cry on this, but I'm so grateful that she survived. You know, it could have been worse, but God has been so good to her and good for my family because she's still alive and she has 5 kids. So can you imagine, you know, losing a mom at an early age and she's only 30, in her 30s? Like, that was something that just hit me like a ton of bricks. And to all the breast cancer survivors out there, I want to salute you. And I want to say thank God that God has walked with you through the process, even though it was daunting and even though it was painful. And to see your family go through it with you, I know how that feels. I understand. And I salute you and I give you kudos to being a mom that survived and is pushing through the odds, you know. And I'm so grateful that you survived it. And I'm going to get out this Terry stage because we're not going to cry on this. But I just want to shout out to everybody, you know, for the breast cancer awareness fashion show. It was amazing. And what we did, you know, was even top tier for what they deserved. But yeah, I designed every look in that video and it, like I said, was great. Right now I'm working on other projects and I'm going to start right here. I have just been doing random stuff for TikTok. If you follow me on TikTok, go ahead and follow me. I would love to have y'all there. And please, y'all, run this video up. Let's talk about this. Let's get to 1,000 quickly. The algorithm is not being fair with me right now. This algorithm is not being fair. But it's okay. We're gonna make it through it. But yeah, life has been great. So my phone just told me it was full, so I gotta hurry up and talk. But yeah, so we had a lot going on this month. But next year, there is a plan for me to execute because I have not been consistent and it's messing me up. Okay, so I need to get consistent with YouTube. But for y'all, let's make up a name for us. Let's do something fun, because I want a fun name for us. I want us to be able to express ourselves through our name and what we can call each other. So if you have any ideas, you can drop it in the comments, and I would love to hear what your ideas are. Yeah, but I want to do more and more videos, so y'all help me out. I'm running out of ideas. My life is not as fun as everybody else's life, and I can't compare myself to others, but I want to make sure that you're enjoying what you see. And if you are, let me know in the comments, because I want to do more. I want to do creative stuff, like fun stuff. Let me show y'all some of my pieces and work that I've done so far. Hold on. So this dress is not fully pulled together as yet. I am still working on her, but this is a patchwork dress that I'm working on currently. You can see that I added this little pocket design that I created with the belt area, the belt buckle area that I put in it. Then I add the zipper for, just for fun. And you can open it up to a pocket. It's a simple pocket, nothing fussy. But yeah, this is like an off the shoulder. I'm gonna put a video of it on the side. I haven't sewn everything up yet, but it's so cute and it's going to be cute. Oh, I wish I could. I can. But yeah, I'm working on her right now, and I just wanted to show you all that, what I'm doing so far, and other projects that I've been doing. I wish I could just crop it into this whole video, and I might just do that. Seeing someone's texting right now. But yeah, I will insert some videos in this video so you guys can see what I've been up to, and hope I can fix it in here. But yeah, stay tuned and see what's been going on. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to watch more videos, more structured videos. I'm working my best to try and improve everything about this page. So y'all bear with me. And if you want to watch my reels, you can watch those as well. All right, see you guys. Bye. I didn't do as promised, but I'm going to show y'all the dress. Y'all, it turned out so beautiful. The detailing on the dress is immaculate. Yeah. So I made the dress, y'all, but I did not record. I can show y'all a recording of what I did, but this is what I have so far. Don't judge me. I look like a hot mess, but it is actually 7:10 in the morning, and I am getting ready to get this dress shipped out. So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this dress back into the box to go to the post office. So, yeah, I'm headed out to do that this morning. So hopefully by 9-ish, we should be out of this house. So, yeah, okay. So my bobbin wants to mess up this morning while I'm trying to sew this dress up. Like, I don't need this. Ugh. It is Thursday, and I think I came on early this morning talking about leaving here to go to the post office. So I haven't left yet to go to the post office, but I'm about to get my lift to drop off the package for the client in LA. So yeah, everything's going good today so far. I did a little brush makeup on my face for right now, but yeah, so now we're in Target looking around at some stuff. Of course, makeup. I tried this matte finish and I think it works for my face, so yeah. Here, and I got the SPF. This is the color that I got. So the SPF with matte. Huh? Starbucks, y'all. So we're still at Target and we're drinking my coffee. It is a beautiful day out. And I got my daughter here with me. So we're just drinking our coffee, and then we're gonna head to Hobby Lobby to get some fabric. Alright. Oh, don't look at my plate, but it's a mess. It was beautiful before. Eating here with my daughter. We're headed to Hobby Lobby next. Okay, so today is Tuesday, October 17th, and I'm waiting for my therapist to come online to Zoom. You see there. So I'm gonna have therapy at 7 o'clock. So when I come back, we can go and talk and share with you what I got from the Goodwill today, so that we can get something together or get something going for tomorrow. See, talk to you later. What's up, y'all? So I'm sorry. I am at home, and I'm trying to prepare myself for my therapy. So therapy is at 7 o'clock. If y'all know my weekend was like, well, not my weekend, my week was horrible. I'm trying to do UGC programs and stuff for my TikTok and different things. So yeah, I've been doing that, but I have therapy today, and I want to take y'all along with me to therapy, and yeah, hopefully I can get some footage on that. But other than that, my daughter's making her sandwich downstairs, so yeah. But I'm gonna probably take a shower before therapy and then chill thereafter. Okay. So this is my therapy session. That's going to be live soon. So I'm waiting on her to come on and I guess start my session.